Designing apps and websites usually takes days. This AI does it in minutes. If you want to design faster without complex tools or skills, watch this till the end. I'll share a totally working 50% off deal. This is Readdy AI, an AI-powered design tool that helps you create app and website designs instantly. First, it generates clean, modern designs using AI. Second, it saves hours of manual design work. Third, it's perfect for founders, designers, and developers. To be honest, the free version is limited, but the paid plan unlocks advanced design features that make it genuinely useful. Now, the best part, use my exclusive discount link in the description, and you'll get an exclusive 50% off instantly. This is a totally working deal. Exclusive 50% off. Working deal. This offer won't be available forever, so don't miss out. Check it now. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Click now and try Readdy AI for yourself.